distinctive flavor which pretty much describes this drink. Today you can buy Tang in pouches, but I remember it best when you mixed it into a tall glass of water. And for many of us space-agers, we remember Tang as the drink of choice for the astronauts. And now, find out how this beverage got to blast off. Tang represents all things modern. It's quick, convenient, and easy to prepare. And what epitomizes progress more than space travel? That's what makes Tang and space such a stellar combination. Some people think Tang was invented for the space food program.
That's not correct, though. Actually, Tang was already on the market, and it just so happened that what NASA needed was powdered beverages that the crews could rehydrate on orbit.
General Foods Corporation introduced that powdered beverage in 1957. This seemingly small step for beverages was one giant leap for mankind.
3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
The first space mission to blast off with Tang was Gemini 4 back in 1965. And NASA discovered that powdered beverages are perfect for space travel.
The fuel cells that operate on orbit combine hydrogen and oxygen to make electricity, and water is a waste product of that process. So there's an abundance of water available on the shuttle, and so it makes a whole lot of sense to take powdered beverages and utilize that water that's generated on orbit to put back into the beverages.
On Earth, we prepare the beverage by simply mixing Tang and water in a glass. In the space capsule, it's a bit more complicated.
The crew member rehydrates the package at the galley, and then they shake it up to mix it thoroughly. And then in order to drink from the package, they then insert this straw through the septum. And that holds that septum open and allows the liquid to flow up the straw. We then have a clamp on the straw so that they can open the clamp when they want to sip, but then in between sips, they close off that clamp to prevent that fluid from flowing out of the package in microgravity.
Drinking in space is no easy task. Once all systems are go with this orangey beverage, do the astronauts like it?
Well, I assume they do. They continue to select it a lot. We have other beverages that are available, but the Tang gets chosen quite often. So, yeah, I would have to say it's very popular with the crews.
All systems are good this time.
Did you know that there have been over 30 different flavors of Tang developed and used all over the world? But right now, in the good old USA, flavors for sale are orange, mango, and orange pineapple. Thanks for watching. See us again next time when we unwrap more secrets.